different
BMW going all the way out to touch and go. Castro coming up a bit short here. Now under the bridge, Castro taking a very shallow line.
Scream, baby!
Hey,
it. Yeah, they went all out.
Yeah,
this was like
once again, he's been so consistent, and his mistake on outside zone 2 up front, but that ball tackle, that correction, unfortunately, I didn't have that. The AutoZone, Streets of Long Beach, presented by Time Pass, Round 7. We'll see you in Irwindale to find out who will be your champion. 2021 season. Unanimously, all 3 judges choose Odie Bakshi's get the Odie Bakshi's and the Falcon Tires field suspension. He gets a win.
Hey yo, what up you guys? Probably look kind of stupid now because I got home, I changed into my home clothes, right? Yeah, today I got some footage from FD. Hopefully it came out pretty good. I mean, you know, I tried whatever I could do with my GoPro, right? So I hope you guys gonna like the footage I got from FD. You know, it was a blast. I'm with my friend Sarah, so definitely, you know, FD is a place to go if you want to go to a cool car event. We had the car show as well, so you know, I have a lot of footage from those cars. I have some footage from the top 16, top 8, and pretty much all the way until the end. I saw some of my friends out there and I came and say hi to them, and it was just a blast. And you know, I think that's what about car community is cool. You know, everybody knows kind of each other and everybody's cool. So I made some friends too there, talking with, you know, total strangers, and that's just, I think, the magic of cars. So but yeah, it was a really fun day. So I'm gonna work on some videos as well, and I hope you know, you guys gonna check it out and tell me what you guys think. And yeah, just much love to you guys. Keep up the grind, keep up doing good in, you know, in your life, and try to make a positive impact on other people. I think that's really important. And yeah, just be nice to each other and try to bring the best out of yourself. And yeah, I really appreciate, you know, you guys checking out my YouTube channel. I'm trying to make it better. I'm trying to think about different content, and you know, I mean, we'll see where we go. And thanks again all the support. I really appreciate it. So you guys take care. I got some work done, and I'll record more stuff later. Peace.